Good day to you, my friends. My name is Vanessa Hong. I work in Shenzhen HTL Technology. We are in the CAD-CAM solution business since 2012. It was only in 2019 we exported by ourselves overseas. So with 12 months business expanding, we have achieved to sell more than 30 countries. So far, we received zero complaint about the quality, 100% satisfactory from the client regarding our quality, our libraries, and our service. And today, I want to show you our digital light processing VLP printer, that is L190, L190 with the formation 192 multiply 102 multiply 200mm micrometer. That is the formation size. So it's considered rather big for the laboratory using. So we also consider that is the industrial grade printer.